Hi guys, today I'm also going to show you how to make a fume extractor. Continuously taking the smoke or the that from the soldering iron may lead to irritation, headache, and even long time exposing to that leads to asthma. So to just simplify it, it's a very simple thing. So you need a plastic container, maybe let it be round, and you'll need some you know what will tell us not styrofoam, it's like a sponge like thing. Then you'll need a CPU fan and a 9-volt power supply or a 12-volt power supply. So I'll just show you how to make it. This is only a minute. So this is the finished product. Here's the CPU fan, nothing but, and here's the holes for the air to go out. And here's the sponge like thing. So it's very simple to do. I'll tell you how to do it also. Just take this CPU fan. This is a small laptop CPU fan. So what you have to do is you have to cut a hole in the bottom of this container. Then that is to the size of the fan. Then what you have to do, you have to use some hot glue and just stick this fan so that the hole in the fan diameter coincides. Then what you have to do is take that sponge like thing and just place it inside. As this is a container, you don't need to stick it. Actually, I tried sticking it, but it does not work out so much. So you can just stuff it with sponge. One of them just does not cover the whole part, so I just kept it in a cross manner, that is a plus manner, so that the whole thing is covered, and whatever air goes through this must go through this, must pass through the sponge and get filtered. So the, and even you have to see so that the air suction means how it sucks the air, the direction will be written on the fan, most of the fans, but this does not have it. So the air suction thing was this side, so always in whatever direction the fan is going to suck the air, that must that must face the sponge. So that when you solder here, okay, when you solder here, what is going to happen, this is going to suck all the air, so the air direction is this side pointing to my left. So when the soldering iron is kept, air direction moves this side, so obviously it's going to suck in all the smoke from the soldering iron here and put it in this direction. So all that smoke and air passes through this sponge and then gets out here through these holes. So here you have pure air, not so pure, but the smoke will not be seen, and it reduces the harmfulness. I suppose it's clean air, I have not tested it, so I'll just show you how it's going to work. Okay, I'll keep it in a little height for you. Okay, so I'll keep the battery. You can see the fan over there. Okay, I on it. It vibrates a little, but have to. Okay, so this is my soldering iron. Wait a minute, it's just vibrating. Okay, I'll hold. Okay, so there you go, that's my soldering iron. So when I do this, you can see it's getting sucked by the fan. All this is smoke and it's getting sucked by this. Okay, I'll show it to you again. You can see it's getting sucked, and here pure air is coming out. So guys, this is how to make a fume extractor that is very simple and compact. It's even portable if you connect the battery holder and put a 9-volt battery. Thank you guys.